Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Are you surprised you're seeing something different? Here I'm doing hemming. I'm trying to fold my wrapper. Okay, when you're giving 6 yards of wrapper and you need to cut it into a wrap like form, like you want to start using it to go for occasions and everything, what do? You cut it into 2 yards. Some people wear two wrappers at the same time, and this is what I'm going to give you now. When you measure your 2 yards, do you know what 2 yards is? It's 36 inches times 2. So that means you use your measuring tape, measure 36 inches from the beginning of the wrapper to where 36 inches is. When you get there, you stop and start all over from one, starting from where you stopped at 36, if you will understand what I mean. Just you measure the 36, the first one, then you take your measuring tape from one and put it from where the 36 ends and measure 36 again. That is 2 yards. When you do that, you cut it from there straight down to the other side, and then carry your wrapper, go to your machine, fold it. You saw the way I folded mine. This is where I'm trying to make it go up and down. You fold it so that it will be very neat. When you fold the first one, you notice the rough edge will still be showing. Make sure you're folding, you have your right side on your machine and your left side up, so that when you fold it, the folding will be on the left side. Then fold the first one and make it the second time, so that it will be looking so smooth. Are you seeing it? Then place it on your machine carefully and start matching your machine. That's if you're using the manual I'm using. Just keep matching it and be guiding your wrapper. If you want to have a straight, smooth sewing, a straight, smooth movement of the machine, I don't know, but you know what I mean. You get a straight, smooth sewing, just like you're seeing on your screen. Just keep going like that, making sure you're guiding the wrapper very well and folding the other side. And so I did this. This is my first time in case, so I'm kind of excited that I'm doing it. I've been keeping this wrapper for a very long time. I said, let me do it. So after doing this one, I did another one, and I did a different wrapper all together. So look at me matching the machine, like a professional, even though I'm a learner. Oh God, I feel so excited that I'm doing this. So I've been trying to do this. I love sewing, but then I do other things. Yes, I'm into crochet. If you want to watch my crochet videos, just go ahead and look me up on my name, Alucio Empire Crochet. You'll see it. So I decided to be adding things to this my channel, so that while we are doing this, we can still be learning other small things. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed. Click on the like button, hit the notification button, and then meet you at the comment section. Tell me, what do you think? Have you tried this before? Or is this your first time? Will you be trying it for the first time? Or are you that professional, those role models I've been looking up to, that I want to so like? Are you like them? Oh my God. I'm happy you all came back to watch this video. If you are new, like I said before, please subscribe. If you're old, what do you think about this? Okay, so I folded this one again. It's the second one, and I make sure the edges are smooth. I make sure I'm trying to I maintain a straight line, and I start sewing. Are you seeing that? I'm going up and down to lock up the thread, and then I'll start moving. Yeah, are you seeing it? Yeah, so I continued like this until I got to the end, and then I had to get another wrapper. So like, okay, sew this for me, and I said, okay, let me sew it. Since this one is smooth, that means I can do another one. So I did a different wrapper altogether. Look at it. Thank you for watching. I'd like to see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe. Remember to click on the like button. And remember, all of them are all free. Thank you for joining my family once again. But I kind of like this wrapper. I love the design. It's kind of unique and fine. It's not like every regular wrapper, or maybe it is just me that has not seen it. But seriously, I love this green with a stripe of yellow all around it. Well, I think yellow and green goes together well. Look at it. Thank you.